Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting the stake and instantly distributing chips so play starts. Give every player 3 chips, put agreed cash to cover chips in the common bank. Once done, decide who rolls first. Use highest die or quick tiebreaker. Make sure dice and a cup are in the center. This is your pot. Now announce turn order and confirm everyone knows L means pass left, R means pass right, C means into center. This clarity prevents disputes before the first roll. You now roll, use as many dice as chips you possess, up to 3, roll fewer if you have 1 or 2. For each L or R result, pass exactly 1 chip to the indicated player, and for each C, drop 1 chip into the center pot. Blank faces mean you keep the chip, so, after each roll, count transfers out loud to avoid mistakes. Make sure to pass chips immediately and visibly, because passing order changes who stays in and how the pot builds. You conclude when one player accumulates every chip. They collect the center pot cash and any side stakes. If 2 players are left with chips and no progress occurs, convert to a sudden death rule. Each keeps rolling 1 die until someone wins, or split pot per agreement. Make sure to announce the final count aloud before payout. If a counting dispute arises, pause, recount together, and use a phone video or majority ruling as a binding tiebreaker to keep the game fair and friendly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.